Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I'd do a taste test of my Hazesteria Hazy Pale Ale. I've given it a good amount of time to carb up in the keg. It's had 10 days. So yeah, I thought we'd sit down and do a bit of a taste test of it. So before I start, just quickly going over the ingredients. So most of it is light lager malt, a little touch of Vienna malt, just to give a smidge of sweetness, oats, rolled oats and wheat, and then the hops are Motueka and Citra. 1/3 of that of the hops I put in as a whirlpool to give me sort of some flavour and also my bitterness, and then the 2/3 of the hops went in as a dry hop. So it's 200 grams all up. So hopefully that's reflects in the beer with plenty of hop aroma and flavour. So yeah, another half batch. So I'll put the details to the recipe below if you want to see any more information. The other thing I should point out, if you didn't see the brew day video, is I used for the first time Mangrove Jack's M66 Hop Head yeast, which is meant to help accentuate the hops but also hold the haze in the beer. And after 10 days in the keg, it's certainly still very hazy, so that's a good sign. So hopefully it stays that way. Came out at 5.25%, finished at 1008, so I'm expecting it to be have quite a dry finish to it. But yeah, excited to give it a whirl. Love the colour, sort of a nice light sort of straw colour. So yeah, let's hope your week's going well. Let's go in for a straight away getting those hops on the aroma, some nice sort of lemon, almost like lemon citrus, tropical fruit. Yeah, but I'm getting like a bit of a sherbet thing happening as well, which is quite interesting. I wasn't sort of expecting that from the Citra Motueka combo, but yeah, nice sort of lemon, almost lemon sherbet, but still citrus and tropical fruit. Quite a pleasant, unexpected aroma. So that's cool. I wonder if part of that sherbet aroma is from the hop head yeast. As I said before, it was meant to help accentuate the hops. So that's nice. Holding a good little head there. Well, that's good. All those aromas are coming, aroma characters are coming through in the flavour. Tropical fruit, that sort of lemon citrus. Also getting sort of hints of like mango and maybe some pineapple as well, which is really pleasant. Bitterness is good. It's sort of in the mid to high 30 range. So all that bitterness came from the whirlpool. Whirlpool / hop stand. That's nice. Got a nice, almost like effervescent type quality to it on your tongue. Nice mouthfeel. It is slightly dry, but it's sort of been countered possibly by the Vienna malt. It doesn't really taste sweet as such, but I think the Vienna malt maybe has countered that low final gravity. But yes, no, I'm very happy with that. So yeah, based on commercial beer of the same name, brewed up by Brothers Beer, Hazesteria. Couldn't find the full recipe, so it's sort of my bash at it. And yeah, very nice. It'll be interesting to try this side by side. But as a standalone beer, I'm very happy with that. Really easy drinking. Some real nice aroma. and hop flavour. Yeah, no, that is really good. And I think the Motueka and Citra works really well together. I find Citra on its own sometimes can be a little bit overpowering. But I think the tropical fruit sort of qualities from the Motueka just gives the hops a bit more of a dimension. Very, very drinkable. Unfortunately, we're sort of speeding our way towards winter, but this would have been a very good drop to have over summer. Yeah, holding a nice head, a little bit of lacing there as well. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Not sure I would change anything. Pretty impressed with the hop head, the M66 Mangrove Jack's yeast. If you're looking for something different to try for a hazy, yeah, if you see it around, definitely give it a whirl. There's nothing, not picking up anything I don't like about the yeast. There's no, it's quite a clean yeast. There's no unwanted esters there. It's possibly done a good job of helping to make those hops pop a bit more. Like I say, still holding the haze nicely, so hopefully that continues. I guess the acid test will be in a couple of weeks, see if that haze is still there. So yeah, that's the Hazesteria Hazy Pale Ale. Very happy with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, sing out. Like I said, I'll put the details of the recipe below, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your... It's definitely carved up. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Over and out.